Back to you now.
Who usually helps you to do your homework?
Repeat now and correct sentence, please.
Who usually helps you with to do your homework?
Repeat. Aries.
Who usually helps you to do your
Repeat.
Who usually helps you to do your homework?
What's homework?
Who usually helps you to do your homework?
Hamburger. Okay, you mean hamburger? Hamburger, okay. Repeat.
Who usually helps you to do your homework?
Hamburger.
Hi viewers, I'm very happy to see you here again in this channel, and I hope all of you are always fine and success in your life. Our topic to discuss today is about question words who and whom. I would like to discuss the two question words because I always hear some students have any trouble to use them in question sentences as well. If you want to understand it well, please watch the explanation on the next screen. Sentence pattern, pola kalimat.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir. How are you today?
We are
Yeah,
friends.
And now I have a sentence and we use this sentence for free conversation. My sentence is my sister usually helps me to do my homework. Maria, repeat the sentence, please.
My sister usually helps me to do my homework.
Thank you very much. And do you know what tense is it? What does the sentence use? The tenses? What tense does the sentence use? Single person. Single person. Okay. And then, if you want to ask the subject, what question word do you use? Marenta. Who? Who? Okay. And do you know what is the other question word which means siapa in Indonesia? Who or whom? Who is used to ask a person as an object or subject, okay? But who is only used for a person as an object. Okay? If you use who for asking a person as subject, you must use positive or negative sentence patterns, okay? And then for asking the person as an object, you must use what? Interrogative. Now, what is the question with the answer, my sister? And also, what? Go on, complete it now.
Who does usually helps me to do my homework?
Aris.
Who does usually help me with to do my homework?
Next, what's your command? What's your question? You cannot answer the question. Nando.
Who usually helps you to do your homework?
Bye. Okay. Well, I think you have different questions. Which one is right? I remind you that if you want to ask a person as a subject, you must use who and followed by positive or negative sentence patterns. Okay. Later, your questions was wrong. Your question was wrong. You didn't say anything, and you are right, and your question is also right. So the right one is, Lenta, repeat.
Who does usually helps you to do your homework?
Okay, now listen to me. I remind you again that if you want to ask a person as a subject, you must use positive or negative sentence patterns. Okay, I go to back again. Repeat your question.
Who usually helps you to do your homework?
Okay, Lenta, you understand what you said? Okay, now you repeat it.
Who is usually helps you to do your homework?
Well, now I confirm to Nando. What's your problem now?
Right.
But did she say correctly? Did she say correctly? No, no one. Did she say correctly?
No.
Repeat. Okay. So you repeat again your questions.
usually helps you with your homework?
No, this is to do your homework. Ganti, ganti.
Who usually helps you to do your homework?
Okay. Lenta, repeat.
Who is usually helps you to do your homework?
Is that right or not?
No, that's not.
No, you did not say correctly. So now listen to me. Who helps you? Who usually helps you to do your homework? Aris, repeat.
Who usually helps you with you homework?
Lenta, repeat.
Who is usually helps you to do your homework?
You come back to your incorrect sentence. Listen to me. Who usually helps you to do your homework? Say that.
Who usually helps you to do your homework?
And that's repeated now.
Who usually helps you to do your homework?
Aris,
Who
repeat.
usually helps you to do your homework?
Repeat.
Who usually helps you to do your homework?
What did you say? Yeah, it's very funny now. Repeat it now, the incorrect sentence, please.
Who usually helps you with to do homework?
Right. You repeat. The sentence is very funny, and no one understands what you say. Maria, say.
Who usually helps you to do your homework?
Repeat.
Who usually helps you with your homework?
Without being to do your homework. Who helps you to do your homework? Repeat.
Who usually helps you to do your homework?
Back to you now.
Who usually helps you to do your homework?
Repeat now and correct sentence, please.
Who usually helps you with to do your homework?
Repeat. Oh, a lot of things you didn't understand. Lenta, repeat.
Who usually helps you to do your homework?
Aris.
Who usually helps you to do your Who usually helps you to do your homework?
What's homework?
Who usually helps you to do your homework?
Hamburger. Okay, you mean hamburger? Hamburger, okay. Repeat.
Who usually helps you to do your homework?
Hamburger.
Well, here's now we go on the exercise. Use who or whom to make questions with the answers on the underlined words. Number one, my friend tells me that English is not difficult. What is the question? So number one. Alright, we can use who or whom to make questions. So number one, because we ask persons as an object. Who or whom does my friend tell that English is not difficult? Number two, parents send us to school to get good education. So what's the question number two? Okay, only who can be used to make questions because we ask person as a subject. Who sent us to school to get good education? Number 3, the boy was afraid of the police. What's the question? So number 3, okay, who or who was the boy afraid of? Number 4, my friend will help me to buy Surabaya Jakarta flight tickets for me. What's the question of number 4? Who will help you to buy Surabaya Jakarta flight ticket for you? Number 5, Mr. George has been teaching the English course students for 10 years. Alright, we can use who or whom because we ask a person as an object. Who or whom has Master George been teaching for 10 years? Number 6, the manager has signed our proposal of the new project. What is the question? So number 6, okay, it's only who because we ask a person as a subject who has signed our proposal of the new project. Number 7, the security will forbid everyone without using mask entering the office. So what's the question? So number 7, okay, we can use both who or whom. So, who or whom will the security forbid without using mask entering the office? Number 8, I saw her at the market this morning. What's the question? So number 8, okay, we can use who or whom because we ask a person as an object. Who or whom did you see at the market this morning? Number 9, she has been staying here for an hour. What's the question? So number 9, okay, only who can be used for making questions. So number 9 because we ask person as a subject. So who has been staying here for an hour? Number 10, teachers will have any problems to teach online. What's the question? So number 10, okay, only who because we asked person as a subject. Who will have any problem to teach online? Well, viewers, I think that is all for the explanation. I hope you can differentiate how to use who or whom for your questions in oral or writing exercise. Thank you very much for your attention and see you on the next episode. Bye bye.